Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use multiple desktops in Windows 11. Now, why would you want to use multiple desktops? Let's say your primary desktop, which is what you see here, you use it for work-related activities in the office. Now, you might want to have additional desktop, which you would want to use for your personal things, such as playing games, sending personal emails to different people. Let's say you're a student and you want an additional desktop where you would have your study related activities such as document articles, and you don't want that in your primary work desktop. So there are several reasons why you would want to use multiple desktops to do different things, and you don't want everything in one desktop. Now let me show you how to activate multiple desktop in Windows 11. So now let's create multiple desktops. Hover your mouse down to the taskbar. You will see here, this is called task view. Now you would see that I have active desktop here, which is desktop 1. And from here, I can create new desktop. Now, if I click on my task view, you'll see all the active applications that are opened in my desktop 1. Now I can go ahead and click one of the applications. So here is one of my applications that I'm using in the desktop 1. Here is where I create my YouTube thumbnails. Okay, so I'm going to minimize that. So go back to my task view, click on that. Now to create a new desktop, I'll come over here and click on this plus sign. Now when I do that, you will see now that I have a new desktop named desktop 2. So I'll click on desktop 2. Now you will see here that I have a clean slate. Now if I hover my mouse across my taskbar, you will see that there are no applications that are opened. Now I'll go back to my task view, click on task view. Now my active desktop is desktop 2, and you will see it's a clean slate and nothing is there. Now if I click on desktop 1 and click my task view, you will see that my desktop 1 has active applications which I have been working on. Now this is the one we created. So you can go on and on to create more desktops done just as you want based on what you're working on. So that way you can organize your PC in a very nice way. And if you want to close your desktops, you just hover your mouse to that point, that close button, click on that to close your desktops. So back to my task view, if I click on my task view, you would see here my desktop 1 is active. So now I can easily move an application to desktop 2 or to any desktop that I want. So back to my desktop 1. So I can hold this particular application, drag it and drop it in desktop 2. Okay, so now that way desktop 2 is active, and when I go there, when I come to my taskbar, I will see that the active application here is the app that I moved from my desktop 1. It's now in desktop 2. It's no longer in desktop 1. You can actually move applications from one desktop to the other, which really makes it nice. Now you can see in desktop 2, which is active, this is the only application that is active there. So I can hold and move it back to my desktop 1. You can see now in desktop 1, I have that application back to that point. Let's do this again. I'll drag this application, drop it in desktop 2, back to desktop 2, click my task view. Now my desktop 2 is active. You'll see that's the only application that is there. So when I close desktop 2, the application that is here will automatically move into the active desktop. Okay, now if I close this desktop, you can now see that the app, whatever application that you have open, will automatically be moved into the active desktop. Here is desktop 1. Another thing I want to show you is that you can make it even more fun working with your shortcut keys. Now, if I press my Windows tab, it opens up the task view. You can see that. Right, so I can click anywhere. Now to open new desktop, I would press on Ctrl Windows D on my keyboard. You can see that desktop 2. It has automatically opened up a desktop 2 for me, right? Ctrl Windows D to open new Windows desktop. So if I click on that point, you would see here that I have second desktop. So I'll go back to my desktop 1. So we have two desktops that are open. To move to different desktops, you just press on your keyboard Ctrl Windows left key arrow, or you press Ctrl Windows right key arrow, depending on which way you want to go. So right now you can see I am in desktop 2. You need to be sure which way you want to move. Control Windows key, either left key arrow or right key arrow, depending which way you want to go. Control Windows left key arrow. So I can just move from one desktop to the other, and that makes it even fun and easy for you to navigate within desktops. And that's it. That brings us to the end of this video on how to create multiple desktops in Windows 11. If you learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see something like this in the future, subscribe to the channel. That way you will see all the new video uploads. Lastly, if there are any videos you might want me to create, leave them in the comment section. I'll add that to the list of videos that I want to create. I'll see you in my next video.